Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. Guys, I missed out on recording this video on a weekend. There is some work going on, so I was occupied and couldn't record the video. So it is 12 o'clock on 20th of January, Monday, which is when we are recording the video. And a very interesting price action today morning. It is showing a kind of a positive bullish biasness, and this bullish bias will in a way give us some kind of a confirmation in a day or two, either today or most likely tomorrow. We'll get that confirmation that the Dow theory on hourly time frame is changing for Bank Nifty, and that itself will give us a sign that this entire trend is turning positive. Maybe this can be a recovery rally, right? But whatever it is, right now the bias seems bullish for a short period of time. So this is a daily time frame which we are looking at, Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. And if I switch on to weekly time frame, all we can see is a small bodied weekly candle for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. And whenever these kind of candles are printed, the high and low of these candles are very, very important. Typically, whenever we get a spinning top kind of a candle, if the high is taken out, then the volatility is going to turn into that direction. The buying will be aggressive, and slowly we'll see price moving in an upwardly manner, is what the expectation is. So similarly here, the breakdown level was breached in the previous week, but today we are sitting comfortably above the breakdown level. For both the indices are doing well. Bank Nifty is outperforming Nifty as of now, but this week is going to be crucial because we have HDFC Bank result in next couple of days, so that is going to impact greatly on Bank Nifty. Personally, I do not trade on the basis of results, because that can go either way. It's a 50% probability of a profitable or loss making scenario. Looking at the charts, it appears that the bias or the momentum should remain bullish till budget, is what the expectation is. But again, this is an analysis and this view can very well be incorrect. So there can be again a retracement up to at least 50%, and then the bounce can proceed. Let's go quickly to an individual chart of Nifty. And on this Nifty chart, if we take a look at the hourly structure right now, this hourly structure is in a way showing some kind of a consolidation, accumulation that is taking place. And when the high of this particular candle, 16th January candle, the high of 23,391, once this is taken out, the hourly Dow theory structure will change for Nifty. It will also complement by closing this particular gap which was created on 10th of January. So let me just mark this high for you. So we need this high to be taken out. Now, is it going to happen today? No. Why? Because both these indices, Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, they are overbought on hourly time frame. As a result, we can see some kind of weakness in this hourly candle. And my expectation is that Nifty should ideally consolidate around this particular level for at least 2 to 3 hours, and then we should be able to see a breakout maybe tomorrow, that is Tuesday, or maybe later in this particular week. But then there should be a breakout, and the target for this breakout can simply be from this low to this high. So the target can be 23,485, and eventually we should move towards 24,000 is what is expected from this entire Nifty rally. So again, once we close above this 23,391, which is the first hurdle, which is where the Dow theory changes. So let me just write it down for you. Above this level, Dow theory changes, or Dow theory changes above this level, whichever way. Right, so first target for me would be this 1.272 level of 23,485. See, Nifty is spending a lot of time consolidating, so I will not keep aggressive target, but there are two targets that we are looking at. The first target is we need to break out above this 23,391. Second target obviously will be 23,485, and above this we can look for the next target of 23,604. Right, this is what the expectation is. If at all we see a retracement, bearish retracement from here, the bearish retracement should be limited to see whatever this rally is, it should be 50% of this particular rally. So let me just draw that level also for you. This is the target that we are expecting, but if at all there is some kind of a retracement, then in that case the retracement should not be deeper than the level of 23,238. Right, so this is where it shouldn't go below this level is what my analysis tells me, and ideally we should just spend some time here, couple of hours, 2-3 hours, and then we should break out above this 23,376, and ideally in next couple of days we should reach to 23,485 odd level is what the expectation is. Similarly, if we take a look at Bank Nifty is betterly poised. Now the breakout level or the trend reversal Dow theory changing level would be this high, that is 49,459, or you can just make it simple, 49,500, above 49,500, and in this case Dow theory changes above this. So I'm just writing it down again. Dow theory changes above this level, and target calculation can simply be from this low to this high. So the first target comes to 49,883. We'll stick to one target only for Bank Nifty, and this target should get completed if there are good results from HDFC. This target should completed in this particular week is what the expectation is. So whatever happens, we should be around 50,000 by the end of this particular week. If there is some retracement, then again the rule of 50% comes into picture, and in that case we can expect this retracement to be around 48,884. So retracement can bring us down to 48,884, 48,884. Right, so this is what the retracement should be ideally. So mota moti, what is our expectation is that the price should spend majority time between these levels. Right, once it breaks out about this, so 49,800 and 48,900. This is where the range comes into picture for Bank Nifty, and similarly for Nifty, if we calculate, the range is between these levels. So 23,200 and 23,400. So 200 point range for Nifty and about 1000 point range for Bank Nifty. This is how the market is poised, expected, and I'm expecting market to do some kind of a consolidation between this particular zone, and then eventually it should ideally break out. So hourly chart, do some consolidation, and then it should give us some kind of a breakout is what the expectation is. That's it from this particular week. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I see you in coming week. Till then, take care. Bye bye.